guys here, and today I'm going to be showing you a stick. Hello everyone, I am Applesauce, and today I'm going to be giving off a review of the Minigames plugin. We're going to be doing a series on this, and I'm going to try to get at least one of these out every week. If you want to suggest a different plugin other than Minigames and command signs, then comment them in the description below. So we're just going to be making a lobby. No, I already did the lobby, but we got to set up everything. We're going to want to do minigame in brackets, spectate, the name of the minigame. This simply allows you to spectate. I just want to have a spectate point set. Minigame quit will make you quit the game before the lobby is over, or this isn't in the actual minigame. The join is very self-explanatory, makes you join. Okay, so if you want to start off your whole entire minigame, you're simply going to want to use this simple command. /mgm create, and then the name you want your minigame to be. So say I'm just going to make something called test minigame, mgm edit. Test minigame, or whatever your minigame name is called. So make sure to keep this to enabled. I'll be going over the first line here, and this is what you're going to want to have normally. Use permission simply lets you make a game that you need a certain permission node for. So say you have like a beta for a minigame that you're not finished with, you can give a permission node and people have to donate to have access to this plugin. It's that simple, it's pretty cool. Game types, if you want single player, you just click assign and join. And multiplayer is like you gotta wait in a lobby, you gotta wait for maximum amount of players, everything like that. There are a few settings with single player that you can set up like multiplayer, but we're just gonna be going over we're just gonna be using multiplayer. Game mechanics, I'll go over this in a different video. This is more of an actual topic, so yeah. Game mechanics settings doesn't do anything. Objective description is pretty much the objective, so say we want to be in a lobby. Our objective. Our game type description, let's do lobby or just test. We started the test minigame, and the display name is the display, so test. I'll be going over the rest of these in a separate video, so yeah, let's just move on. So if you'd like to set your lobby's position, make sure you stand in these spots. Do /mgm set the name of your minigame lobby. So then set the lobby exactly where you are standing. Now say we want this to be the end position, we're going to want to do end after instead of lobby. Quit, the difference between these two is end is when the minigame ends automatically, and quit is when you manually quit the game. And say we want this to also be the start, and the spectates points, was it? Spectator start. If you go into the edit mode and click this little feather, spectators are able to fly in the minigame. So say we do right click this sign, which I will show you everything, all these signs. Okay, so now let's go over all the signs. So if you saw previously, I just set up the spectator fly. So if I set up if I click spectator, this is the start. So I can fly around and I can do all this stuff. And then we right click the quit sign, there we go. Now if we go into the lobby, it'll set up all the objectives that we started. So you have started a test minigame. Objective, be in a lobby, and it's waiting for one more player. If you'd like to edit this, you can set up the minimum players for 1 and the maximum for 5. So now we can play this on our own. So we would have to wait for the waiting for players timer. And there's some nice sound effects pretty soon. Yeah. And there's a minigame start. It's done with the players and the minigame is started. So now we're here. So yeah, we'll be going over scoreboards and scores next time. And if you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like and click that big red button with words. I'm not sure if it's yellow now, they changed it. And as always, my name is Applesauce, and I'll see you all next time.